There you go. Everybody look at the camera. Smile, lean into the tree a little.
Oh, you guys are sharing my blanket? We're sharing the blanket now.
Oh no, here comes Dad.
Look at the camera.
Ah!
Ah, chicken.
Chicken actually Stop!
It's close, like we're a family. Like it's
We are a
Thanksgiving,
family!
Christmas. Pretend you like each other.
Ew.
Pretend Travis didn't fart. Let's get him in the Christmas tree.
Travis, son!
Oh my God, you're so little.
I'm not little.
Arms out. Go ahead, up and down. Yeah, there you go. Now around his arms.
Now go back the other way.
Yep, go back the other way.
You gotta put your arm out, bud.
My arms are tired.
She's helping.
It's hurting, not helping. I think I made a Christmas tree.
Okay, hold it above his head. Travis, put your arms all the way out.
As far as you can go.
Go as far as you can. I'm a tree! And then
Okay, go.
Travis, look at the camera. Freeze.
Look at the camera.
Pose. Hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second. No. Okay, wait. You gotta put a bow on her. Mom's gonna come with a bow. Don't wreck it yet. Go ahead. Just make her quiet. Look at the camera. Smile. Eyes up here, Amelia. All right. Do it again. Chin up a little. Not you, Amelia. Say Merry Christmas!
Merry
Christmas!
Happy Kwanzaa,
You know-
Hanukkah.
I can't say it if you guys say it right after me and I don't get a chance to take a breath.
And then we
Say Merry Christmas in 1 second. How about I tap you? Ready?
Merry Christmas!
Happy Hanukkah!
Amelia tapped me!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy Kwanzaa!
Happy New Year!
Happy Hanukkah! Happy Kwanzaa! Happy Christmas! Happy New Year! Happy birthday!
Happy
Easter
birthday.
Mom! Happy birthday! Happy birthday
You
to
live in a
you!
zoo. We have several monkeys.
Happy birthday!
They can't follow any directions. And the
We need
camera's
our
over there.
canoe.